Understanding, floating ceiling, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, floating ceiling. This is a phrase that might sound a bit puzzling at first, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your conversations. The phrase, floating ceiling, doesn't refer to a ceiling that is literally floating in the air. Instead, it's a metaphorical term used in various contexts. In architecture, a floating ceiling refers to a ceiling design where there's a gap or space between the ceiling and the structural ceiling above, giving the illusion that it's floating. In economics or finance, a floating ceiling can imply a maximum limit on prices or wages that can adjust based on certain conditions. Now, let's see how to use floating ceiling in sentences. 1. In architecture, the new office building has a floating ceiling design, which adds an elegant and modern touch to the interior. 2. In finance, the government imposed a floating ceiling on wheat prices to stabilize the market during the economic turmoil. When using the phrase, floating ceiling, it's important to be context-specific. Avoid using it in a literal sense unless you're discussing a magical or fictional setting where things can actually float. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of floating ceiling. It's a great example of how English phrases can have varied meanings depending on the context. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you navigate more interesting phrases in our upcoming videos.